Success is not for everyone. Yes, what you heard is right. Success is not for everyone. So, why am I really saying this? Please do watch till the end so that you can then comment whether whatever I'm saying is right or wrong. Okay, so let me just give a small example. As many of you would be knowing, I'm the content creator of channel A2C Arts and Crafts. So, for that channel, I'll be creating creative videos. So a couple of weeks back, I created my first power board. So that will be powered by a powerful motor, and it can actually go well as well. Okay. So after me creating the power board and took it to play in the lake, I could see that that boat was just going round and round and round. And I was wondering, why is that happening so? The reason was the radar or the direction control, whatever I have installed on that board, was really small. So because of which it was not able to control the direction. So we had to literally struggle to get the boat to the corner. So that was my first boat which I had made using a Sprite bottle and PVC pipe. So now that I understood the problem was with the radar, which was really small, I made my next boat. That is something that you can see right now. So this boat was slightly taller, the radar was tall, and again I went to play the same boat in the lake. Now here is the problem. Because the entire body was tall, okay, whenever wind used to blow on the lake, the boat used to shake. And the moment I was trying to take the turn, it used to oscillate so much that it was just about to tilt into the water. Now what could go wrong? Certainly it did tilt and water started entering into the boat, right? So that was the failure because the body of that was height and the radar was too tall, correct? And the air friction that used to come on that was something that was affecting the boat to go straight. So I made the next version of it where I said, okay, let me just fix Sprite bottles on the side of it so that it can go well, right? So that certainly helped for the boat to go straight, and I was able to take the turn and things like that. But there was a lot of friction and the boat was not able to go at a speed. So recently I created one more version. So that's what you can see right now. And this speedboat can go very well. Okay, it can go with a speed of around 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. And even while turning, it is still stable and it does not fall into the water. The reason is it has the right height, and even the radar is just 75% of the length of the propeller, correct? So because of that, it does not, the air friction does not really affect it, and it can still go straight and it can take the turn and things like that. So why am I saying this? Certainly after creating the first boat, I could have said that, okay, oh, okay, this is something really difficult, I can just stop it. I could have said that. But here is something. Success comes to the person who never gives up. That's the first most important thing. Of course, we come across challenges, and the first most important thing is to never give up. And the second most important thing is to learn from the mistakes what we have done. In the first power boat what I made, the radar was too small. In the second boat, the radar was too long. And in the third boat, there was a lot of friction. And only in the fourth boat, I was able to correct all those things. And the third most important thing to succeed faster is learning from the person who has done it right. So every time when I create the videos, I certainly watch others who have done it in the best way and try to see how I can make it much better. That's how I always continue to learn. So if you are able to apply these three things, that is never give up, learn from our own mistakes, and learn from the person who has done it right. Whether it is building a YouTube channel or building any other business, certainly if we follow these three things, then we can actually succeed. I'm not saying that, okay, I have succeeded a lot in whatever I'm doing right now. I'm still learning, but I feel that these three things are certainly needed for us to grow faster. Comment below if you agree to this or not, okay? If somebody is following these three things, then certainly they can succeed. If we just quit or give up, then I don't think we can succeed, okay? So see you in the next video.